Hi everyone! Today is all about making bagels with silken tofu. And we're using, you guessed it, my signature silken tofu dough. I've already made the dough to save us some time, but you can find the full master dough tutorial linked in the description if you need it. This entire series is based on my new ebook where I share how this one dough makes everything from bagels to cinnamon rolls. So let's jump into this recipe. This recipe makes chewy, protein-rich breakfast bagels with about 10 grams of protein each. You're going to need one batch of the Master Silken Tofu dough. And it's very simple to prepare these bagels. I honestly had never really made bagels before this, but I realized how easy it is to actually make your own bagels, and now I'm addicted. Once you have your master silken tofu dough, you're going to divide it into 8 equal pieces. Then shape them into balls and then poke a hole through the center with your thumb like you're seeing me doing right now. Then all you have to do is actually just boil these bagels 45 seconds per side. I use a slotted spoon to flip them over in the boiling water. And then once the bagels have boiled for 45 seconds on each side, you're just going to toss the bagels in any desired toppings. My husband really wanted me to do everything bagels with this everything bagel seasoning. I purchased this seasoning on Amazon. It's the Frontier Co-op brand. It's actually really delicious and it's all organic. Just sprinkle them on the top and then actually pick them up and then rub the seasoning on the bottom because specifically he requested that the seasoning be covering the entire bagel, which is something he really likes. Now, I forgot to mention earlier that you actually want to preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit because these are going to go directly into the oven after you've boiled them and seasoned them. I baked these for about 18 to 20 minutes, but you can make sure that these are fully cooked like you would check any other bread by checking the internal temperature with a thermometer. You want the internal temperature of bread to reach about 190 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's how you make perfect eggless vegan bagels using silken tofu. But don't stop here. This dough is truly a choose your own adventure base. I use it for everything from bagels to pretzels. And if you want all of my 18 plus of my favorite vegan bread variations in one printable place, check out my ebook in the description below. Happy baking, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.